Welcome to my channel. My name is Keymee. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. So we're gonna be getting into a hair tutorial today. This wig was sent from a Nadula Hair. Thank you to them for sponsoring this video. So in the box you are going to get a wig cap. They do send two headbands. One is cotton and then the other one has a little bedazzled jewels on it. And then of course the wig. So we have it says it is a Nadula straight hair burnt orange lace front wig. It is a 13 by 5 by 1 highlight wig. So basically like a lace part wig. So you have two combs on top, one comb in the back, and then you have the adjustable straps. And it says that it comes with baby hairs. I think the length I have is 26 inches. It's either 26 or 24. And on the site that is $199.29. So with this unit, like I said, you're only going to get lace along the perimeter of the hairline, not too much parting space, and then you do have the part in the center. So it's not too much that you have to do with this wig. The lace is like a medium brown lace, so I didn't even have to tint the lace. The lace fits my skin perfectly. With this being like a lace part kind of wig, I like to leave my hair out so that it looks more natural with the unit. So instead of using the baby hairs that it came with, I'm just going to put some baby hairs along the perimeter of my hairline. I'm not really doing too much baby hairs, like making them perfect, just putting something just so that it looks natural. After I do that, I am going to put freeze spray just where the part is, that way it does not slide back. And I like to use the combs that the unit comes with, so that it helps keeps the unit in place as well. After that, I'm just gonna go ahead and straighten this hair. I was going to curl it, but it's really silky straight, and I knew the curls they might not last for me, so I just went ahead and straightened this hair. So I did use some heat protectant spray, and then I did use my Carrot wax stick to help me mold this hair down. I am using my flat iron and my hot comb as well. The hair was already silky straight, so you really just have to run your hot tool through it like just a couple of times and it'll be straight, and you didn't have to go through and just section the hair off. Like, the hair is very pretty and already straight on its own, so I'm just running it through just to kind of tame it down a little bit. After that, I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me concealer to put in the parting space. The parting space, you could go in and pluck it a little bit more, but the concealer does help to open it up. And then I do put my powder, that is the 362 shade Truffle, on top to hold that concealer in place. To take away from the powdery look, I do apply mousse on top just to take it off the hair and get that part to look very nice and sharp. That right there is basically gonna be it for this unit. The color that if I did not say it, is FB. I think it's FB. Yes, FB30. And it's a straight unit. So yeah, that is gonna be the color for this unit. Very, very pretty, very simple wig. The hair is very pretty. I did not have any shedding. I did not have any tangling. The density is very natural and pretty on this unit, and I just love this unit. Thank you to Nadula again for sending me out this unit to review. Like, their quality is freaking bomb. So make sure y'all go check them out, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.